defenses are failing. They've bypassed the main firewall. Get me Richard on Teams. GETME Richard on Teams right now.
Well, thanks for explaining. And yes, I can absolutely help. I'll get started immediately. I am almost done, just creating the final reports.
We're completely pinned down.
Richard, we need that spreadsheet.
There we go. Attach the spreadsheet and send.
All units, this is Falcon Leader. We have intercepted Richard's transmission. Payload is received and we are coming in hot.
Unbelievable. I've never seen such an awesome spreadsheet made so quickly.
It's magnificent.
The conditional formatting. It's beautiful, sir.